I'd like to invite Mr. Lamendra Kumar to say something about the league and for the team. Please.
यार अंपायर को खुशी नहीं
अरे रुक जा भाई, क्या
Welcome to
कर
the
रुक जा भाई, ये रुक जा। दूर।
नहीं दिया
Good afternoon to everyone. And first of all, I would like to thank you so much to the organizer to organizing this beautiful event. You know, actually, we all are Indian and Pakistani. The friends are here. The cricket is in our blood, okay? And flowing blood in Hanoi ground, it's looking as very beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, cricket we started, I think, almost 25 years before in Hanoi and subsequently in Ho Chi Minh City. But you know, there is ups and downs because the very few people are there in 25 years before, the very few Indians in Hanoi. And later on, it's become stop, then start, then stop, then start. But I really appreciate to the people who are taking initiative and organizing such kind of a big event. I really thankful to each and everyone, not only the organizer, each and every participant who was coming from Tengwa to Bucknell and from India. So this is so our unity and contribution towards the sports, and that's what is really appreciable, you know, because in living in Vietnam, still the cricket we are keeping it alive here. So it is a really remarkable thing which you guys are doing here. So actually Naveen called me, sometime Goa called me also, because I was also part of this team. I used to play. Now, you know, body not doesn't allow us to play again. But still, as far as the cricket, mind still is young to play. Anyway, so we are looking at the next year to make in a more professional, more bigger way. But the way we are doing it a very good, and I will try my best to contribute to these sports as much I can possible.
Thank you, sir.
It is not about Dalchini, but as far as the pharmaceutical company which I am having here, and we will try to next year to contribute from my side in a bigger way.
Thank you. Thank you.
And everyone also knows that we have an Indian business chamber here. भारतीय व्यापार मंडली अगर इसको हिंदी में कहें तो. So Indian business chamber in Vietnam. So we have a 20-year of celebration. We started in 1999 and we have completed 25 years in Vietnam. So we are celebrating that. So currently I am holding the position as a chairman, and Mr. Chaitanya, I would like to invite him. So he is also recently elected as a vice chairman. So we have a board member and everyone. And this year I am trying to incorporate sports and yoga in Incham. So, you know, because the business chamber, the objective of the business chamber in Vietnam to promote the business between both the country. The people are sitting in India, what kind of business they can do in Vietnam, or the people are in Vietnam who wanted to export or import from India. So we are the platform for both the people, India and Vietnam, to increase the trade between both the countries. So that is the objective of Incham. So business is only, because I personally believe, business is only possible and successful when there is a cultural bonding. So without cultural bonding, you cannot do any business. So to looking at the cultural bonding, so we have a cultural events, and apart from the cultural event, to make you young and energetic, you need to participate the sports. Sports is also one of the key factor for the business as well. And to looking at business, culture and sports, if your mind, if you don't concentrate properly, if your health is not good, and then you cannot do anything. Health is wealth. Everybody knows that.
Yeah.
So for that, what we need the meditation and yoga.
Yoga से होगा.
So to keep us alive, to keep us more energetic. So that's why we are incorporate in our business forum, yoga and meditation. So we would like to support all the yoga people who are doing great job here, promoting our yoga, which our vision of our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. So we would like to support to the people and come forward to join Incham as well. And you can give your expertise so that how we can make the yoga much better. Because everybody was there, some Bac Ninh, Thengua, different provinces you are doing. And we will try in the northern Vietnam how best we can support as a business chamber to all of you. That is what the whole objective is. So making note of that, so I would like to tell you, because as a cultural, every year we are doing the big festival Diwali and Holi. So this year we plan to organize Holi in a very big way. and that is the 16th March. So please make a note on your calendar and please come and participate on 16th March with your friends, girlfriends, wife, whoever you have. And we will make a platform to you guys to enjoy as much you can. Okay? So thank you so much once again. You know, all the best. You guys are doing very good job. You are like a ambassador of India as well, and you're representing your country and sports. Make everything good, peace, and keep your country name always high. That's what is very, very important. Thank you so much. And Chaitanya?
Thank you so much, Navendu-ji. See, yesterday night when Mr. Navendu said that we have this cricket tournament final and we should go together, I was like, okay, where is this place? What is happening? Because when Gaurav, Nitin, we used to interact with them previously, and I used to play actively. Bali knows. Where is Bali? Yeah. So when I used to play, Bali used to wait for me to come and bat so that he can come and bowl. So in the due course, I have taken retirement. Right? Now if you ask me, I cannot come and participate. But then coming here today, I really feel lively, motivated, looking at your spirit, 8 teams participating, more than 100 players getting together in Hanoi, playing the game of cricket. Thank you so much and keep it up, guys. Kudos to you all. And as Navendu-ji mentioned, see, this year we have plans to utilize the InChamp platform to communicate the message about, you know, the goodness of yoga and meditation. So we have our friends who are teaching yoga in Vietnam. We request you to come up, give us some suggestions how we can take this message in a wonderful manner to Vietnam as well. So please support us in your efforts. And yes, we once again invite you all to join with your close ones for the Holi event on 16th of March. Thank you so much.
I would like to invite Mr. Abhishek Kumar. Please give few words to us.
हेलो नमस्कार। आज ये कंप्लीट हो गया। जिस दिन ये शुरू हुआ था टूर्नामेंट, उसके पहले से हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा प्लानिंग किया था और नितिन का इसमें बहुत योगदान है, जो दिन रात मेहनत करके पूरा इस सिस्टम को सजाकर इसमें जिस तरह से एग्जीक्यूट किया, इसके लिए नितिन का, नवीन भाई का, सबको असंख्य धन्यवाद। हम लोग को सिर्फ सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो टाइम, समय, खून नितिन और नवीन भाई ने दिया है, इसके लिए सराहनीय है। थैंक यू।
तो भाई लोग, नवीन भाई प्लीज कम द स्टेज, प्लीज 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 प्लीज। कुछ शब्द कहे अपने।
Thanks a lot to all of you for giving us this opportunity to make the tournament every year. We're trying our best to arrange a tournament. Thanks a lot, our sponsors, our food sponsors, and all of you for joining us and supporting us. Thanks a lot. We will meet again next year. Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much.